be going into Marshalls to see if they have a new for fall shoes and accessories. All right, as soon as you walk in, they have, I'm telling you, a ton of boots. So like the little booty style boots. They have some tall boots, but just all kind of different boots. I like these boots. These are $70. They have, different brands, different styles, but the majority of them, from what I saw at my Marshalls at least, were like little booty style boots. So these would be cute to wear with like jeans, different things like that. You can wear them with slacks. They had a few pieces of casual style boots, which I thought were great because you can wear those, every day type styles. The cowboy boots, which are in right now, so they had that style there too, and they had them in like different colors, different variations, stuff like that. But right now Marshalls has all of the cute little booties and boots and stuff that you might need for this fall season, at least for women. I did not check out the men's section just yet, but at least for women, they have all of the fall shoes right now. And you can see the prices generally around the same. Some are going to be lower, around like $30 and stuff I did see, but you can see the majority of them are going to be about $50, $60, $70, around that range. And it varies, from designer to designer, but they're keeping it around the same range. These I like because I like a flat kind of boot, and it has just enough of a heel, and then it has that cowboy type look too. They are $109 though for those, but those were super cute to me. They have a cute little detail there with the studding, so you can find your style, whatever your style is right now at Marshalls. And I'm talking about whether it's the heel, whether it's the colors. They have like all the great fall colors and stuff like that, but these little variations make a boot different, if you know. So you can find them right now at Marshalls. So I'm loving the little fall boots that they have out right now. They have boots that fit for younger styles and stuff like that. If you ever saw like the Blowfish line, to me it's like for younger people. They have just all kind of styles. They have retro looking styles right now, which I think are so super cute. But yeah, you can find your boots at Marshalls right now. They even have, I don't know, to me, you can wear these all year, but to me, like a loafer is such a fall look. So they have loafers and, a lot of different colors. They have, weather boots because the weather is changing and you'll want like some nice weather boots. I like these light colors. They can be hard in bad weather, but if it's a nice, sunny day, which it hasn't really rained much, yeah, those will work great. These are nice and simple. I do like these, and you can wear these. These look like weather boots, but then like regular boots, if you understand what I'm saying. They have great style combat boots, nice colors. You can see this one has like a bit of texture to it and stuff like that, which I think is great. More little cute shoes. You can see these flats are perfect color for fall. They're just something simple that you can just slide into, and they're only $30. More of these. These give me like a designer look. I can't remember exactly what shoe it looks like, but it looks like a designer shoe that I have seen, and it's only $50. These are nice and simple, and these are Timberland. I haven't wore a pair. I don't know if I ever wore a pair of Timberlands, but I haven't really looked into them in a while, but those were super cute. These, a good pair of heels are always great, and these are only $40, and they are perfect for fall. These, I don't know if you can pick up the little texture that they do have in them, which I think is great because you'll have that fall look, and then you'll have that added, little texture detail, which makes them super cute, and they're only $30. And then they have a nice thick heel. If you're into a more skinny heel, you can see, and you can see around the bottom, and it has that little detail. I don't know if you're picking that up, but only $40, and it's BCBG generation. And then we have accessories. At my Marshalls, they had a good selection of hats, and again, to me, they were all affordable, and they had different styles for different, type of styles. So they were affordable, but you can see this one right here. Okay, first, this one right here. It kind of gives you summer, but it doesn't give you summer, But anyway, the fall is a great time to dress up your outfits with a cute hat. And they had from like fedora style hats to cute bucket hats. All of the Steve Madden hats that I saw today were just so cute to me. And my daughter is doing like a color theme for all her clothes this fall. And these were all like just the perfect color they fit in. They had the pink, they had the browns. They were just light, and they would go with so many different things, but I love them all of those for the casual styles. And then of course, like I said, they had the fedora style hats, and like, look at that cream color. It's just so cute. And I'm going to go on to ponchos and stuff like that, but imagine that cream color hat with a poncho, cute little pair of boots. It would be just, such a cute little look. They had from floppy style hats. They even had, to me, it gave me like a vintage vibe. They have those, but just so many different hats that you can pick from, to go along with whatever your style is for this season. And like I said, they all are in neutral colors, so they can go with a lot of different things. And back to the shoes. Okay, so more little boots. And like I said, they had a lot of booty style boots. So you'll be able to find, whatever it is you're looking for with just, different slight details. I like the neutral color in this one. You saw it before with the black, and then the brown with the black. So it had like the contrasting. This one still has like a little bit of contrasting, but it's a little bit different because it's close. This green is a great color for this season, and they have this one too, and it's a nice, casual type piece, only $25. Like I said, so they have like a mix of casual, and they have, the everyday style. They have boots that you can dress up, but they had so many different. I didn't even, because, usually I stayed in one size section, but I glanced at the other sections. They all kind of look the same, but probably you'll be able to find even more styles at your Marshalls, maybe. I don't know. But because I stayed in one size section, or else we would have went on forever with this. But they have such great stuff. Like I said, that one is nice and casual, and you can just toss that on with so many different looks because it's like low. It's this one, another youthful type style, and it's giving me a vintage like 90s vibe. I don't know, giving me like a 90s vibe with that right there. I think we did this one already. Might have. Then we have the Tom's boots right there. Again, another pair that could be dressed up, dressed down. So, and it comes in other colors too. This black boot, like, a nice cute, going out for drinks or something like that type boot. Or if you just dress up, like, you go more up than down for your day than casual. The cowboy boots, cowgirl boots again, but in this nice cream white kind of color, which I thought was so good, and only $40, so you can have the style without spending too much. Like I said, these type shoes give me fall, and they had a few different styles, a few different textures. This one has the animal type look to it. They had them in the patent leather, just like, different styles to fit different, styles and stuff like that. This one is, it's not patent leather. It's not the animal print. It's like more of a matte finish to it. I thought it was great. Here is more of the green. I just think that is so cute with the green and the black contrast to it. And they are only $80. And I just think it's like a look. Like, it's just real nice. And it would give your outfit like a little pop, Here are more cowgirl boots, and this one has more detail than the others that we did see. This one gives you like a real Western vibe, and this would just dress up a look by itself. You can have the simplest outfit on and put that on, and it just, gives you a pow. This I thought was so cute because it's like so simple, but it has different type shape to it than all the others. I thought that was nice. So like I was saying with the boots, you're going to be able to find so many different style boots. And like I said, they did have some long ones, like some taller ones that, might go up to your knee or something like that. They did have like some mid-calf ones, but they had a lot of booties. And I love a bootie because most of the time in the fall, you're wearing a pant and you don't have to worry about, covering the boot or anything like that because it sits right where it should sit, for the pant. So I love a good booty. So these are great for the fall season. So if you haven't been down to Marshall's to look at shoes, definitely get down there to look at shoes. And like I said, they have more accessories that we'll keep looking at, but definitely get down there to look at shoes. These are a little could be all year, but I just thought they were super cute. And then more of the combat style boots, but this one was like in that nice burgundy, maroon, whatever you call the color. And I just think that's perfect, too, for the season. And you know what, too, I've been seeing a lot of cars in this color too, and I just think it's a great color for right now. So like I said, get down to Marshall's, get you some shoes. And then of course you cannot do fall without a poncho. And these ponchos are great. And if you notice, like the ponchos, they always in that nice plaid print. So they have like such a variety, if you can see, of the different type of plaids, the different, even with slight variations, like in the cut of these, in the style. You can see this one has the nice neckline, so it's a pullover. The other one was open in the front, but like they're all at that same good range. This one, the nice two-tone look to it. It just looks so sophisticated. But that color is great. And like I said, all around the same range there, so you don't have to spend too much. This one with the nice front pocket. This one was a nice lighter weight one, so it would give you that great layering, what have you, and stuff. Then of course it has the hood. But these all look great and high end to me. And like a poncho it can just make your look, if you know what I'm saying. But they have different textures, they have different prints. This one has a cute little belt to it. This one has a nice bold floral print to it, and it just looks so cute. And like you can wear a poncho with jeans. You can put on that hat, this poncho, some jeans, some booties, and you just have your whole little look from Marshall's. Because Marshall's has everything, and you can go over and get some home decor. But yeah, they had a good selection of ponchos to pick from. Just in one little section, they had just so many to pick from. And ponchos are going to be like more one size, so those are great. And then they have a ton of purses. I didn't do all of the purses, but I just wanted to show you like some fall vibe type purses. I like a nice looking leather purse because as it distresses, I just think that's so cute too. But they had a lot of different styles in like the nice fall colors that I just thought was so nice. And you can just toss these and go. So these are like going to be more casual type pieces that you can wear basically every day. They had, we call them waist belts, fanny packs, but you can toss them over one shoulder. This one I loved. It was giving fall, it was giving going in the winter, and I usually don't like too much of the that fur because it's everywhere, but I love that one was so cute. This one, I love the contrasting that it has in it with the chain. That was perfect. These pieces, like I said, Marshall's has such a large selection of purses. I can do all the purses, but I didn't put them in this video. But like Marshall's, for all the purses, they have your purses, your ponchos, your hats, your shoes. So get down to Marshall's and get you some accessories for this season.